Okay, so this looks like a cherry jam, smells like a cherry, but it's not a cherry. Wait till you see what it does to my lips. This is entire Primark cherry lip collection. Let me show you my favorite combo first. Starting with the lip contour in cherry pop for just €2.50. This is so soft and pigmented, full cherry color, and it is twistable, so no sharpener needed. I'm outlining my upper and bottom lips, then smudging it with my finger for a natural transition, leaving the middle clean. Next, the Cherry Velvet Hydrating Matte Lipstick, €3. This is a slim matte lipstick that smells like cherries. My only worry was it's gonna be too dry, but it promises a hydrating moment. Let's see. Oh wow! Full color, easy to apply, glides on so smoothly. It is matte, but definitely not making my lips super dry. Actually comfortable on the lips. That's the combo with just liner and lipstick, but let's add a cherry on top. This is the Shimmer Lip Tint in Burgundy, €3. Super juicy, shimmery gloss with that cherry scent. Goes amazingly well on top of this matte lipstick. Look at this color, unreal. This is the final lip combo, all three products together. But let me show you this shimmer tint on bare lips. Beautiful sheer cherry tint with lots of shimmer, glossy, not sticky at all. This goes great on top of the lipstick or on its own for a lighter look. Now for the other two products and one more lip combo. First, the lip stain in Cherry Pop, €3. It is like a lip marker, pretty sheer when you start applying, but it is buildable and the color is really full after a bit of effort. Let me wait until it is fully dry. Okay, transfer proof test, a bit of color transfers, but most of it is still there. And on top of it, bingo, my most favorite lip product. You can eat it like a liquid cherry, cherry sauce or jam. The smell, the texture, I am dying. And the packaging is so luxurious. This is the Cherry Lip Glaze, €3.50. Full cherry lip gloss that glides amazingly on top of this lip marker. This is the lip combo of my dreams. The price, the packaging, the results so above this price range. You definitely need something from this collection. Thank you for watching.